Hello and welcome back. I want to give you a little context about the piece I'm about to share. So, I wrote this piece because I realize change is something every one of us encounters at different moments in our lives. Sometimes we are adjusting, sometimes we could be releasing, or sometimes we are rebuilding. And in those moments, change can feel tender. Change can feel disorienting or even intimidating. And it's not because we are doing something wrong, but because we are standing in a place we have never been before. And not knowing how to step into that place can cause us to question the how and why of the process. So, I offer this reflection as a companion, not a directive, not a lesson, but a quiet presence for anyone moving through a shift in their life. Whether you're healing, redefining, recovering, or learning to trust yourself with more steadiness, may these words meet you with clarity, grounding, and grace. So let's begin. Trust the process. It sounds simple, almost cliche, until you are the one trying to rebuild a life from the inside out. Change asks you to sit with yourself in ways you never had to before. It may ask you to feel what you once numbed, to face what you once outran, or to make peace with a past that can feel heavy in your hands. But here's the truth so many of us forget. When uncertainty starts whispering, you are exactly where your journey needs you to be. You are not behind, you are not broken, and you are not too late. Just here, you are just here in this moment doing the work that matters. Every experience you have lived, even the ones you wish you could erase, they all shaped the strength you are using to stand here today. The choices you made, the pain you carried, the lessons you learned the hard way, they didn't disqualify you. Instead, they prepared you. Your past is not evidence of failure, it's evidence of survival. Change isn't about pretending the past didn't happen, it's about understanding it differently. And when you look back through the lens of healing instead of regret, you begin to see something new. You begin to see resilience, endurance, and a capacity for growth you didn't know you had. The person you were then did the best they could have with what they had. Remember that. The person you were then did the best they could with what they had. The person you are now is learning to rebuild what matters. And the person you are becoming, that's emerging version of you, is being shaped by every past experience. And every new boundary you set, every morning you choose to keep going instead of turning back towards regret matters. And it matters because the process of becoming is slow, it's intentional, and it's deeply courageous. So, trusting the process doesn't mean loving every step. No, it means believing that every step counts. And you don't have to rush your healing. You don't have to rush your becoming. You don't have to have all the answers. You don't have to make up for lost time. You only have to keep moving gently, consistently, with the understanding that growth often happens quietly underneath the surface long before you can see it. And remember, your past shaped you, but it doesn't own you. Your future is being built one choice at a time. And right now, in this moment, you are becoming someone your past self never imagined was possible. And that is the process. And you can trust it. That's it. Thank you for allowing me to share this reflection with you. May peace and light accompany you on your path.